Hi, so here's a quick review of the Skullcandy Method 360 ANC. And just to start off this review, these are just amazing earbuds. They're awesome. They come with the charging cable. They come with your ear tips and your little locks right here to lock them into your ears. So because they're different sizes, depending on what size ears you have. And here is the case. And it's a very nice case. You can clip it on. You can, attach it right here. Just attach it to your belt, to your waist, to your backpack. So really nice that it's attachable. When you want to get your headphones, you just open it up like this. Just unique. They're magnetized in there. And there's your Skullcandy headphones right there. And the sound of these headphones, they are tuned by Bose. It's Bose sound, and it's an incredible sound. I cannot believe the value that you are getting for these headphones. The sound is just amazing. You get incredible bass, incredible treble, good clarity. It creates a sound stage. There's a really nice sound stage that it creates. So I mean, you can pick out the instruments in different directions. They are so good for the value that they are at. It's an amazing price for everything that you are getting. Also, on your documentation here, you scan this barcode and it downloads the app. And the app is a really good app. You can do things such as use your headphones to take a picture or take a video. You can increase the bass on your headphones. It has a customizable equalizer, a bunch of different items that you can control on your headphones with the app that you can download from the Play Store. So just excellent. Oh yeah, you can download it from the iTunes Store too, because it works with your iPhone also. Just an amazing headphones. I can't say enough about them. I like them a lot. They are very comfortable in ear when you put them in your ear. Super comfy. Got your little skull symbol right there. Just excellent. These are the best headphones that Skullcandy ever made, without a doubt. The noise reduction is excellent. Charging is quick and easy. Yeah, just amazing headphones. Thanks.
So this is my review for the Skullcandy earbuds. Honestly, really good product, great sound. The only issue is if you take a look at how it's standing right now, you would think that this earbud would be the right one, and this earbud would be the left. But when you open it, when you open it, if you look, that's the left and that's the right. The only issue with that is just that design flaw. But other than that, good product. You enjoy what you buy.